focus on the whole classes that we want to do in this channel is number one actually is trend meaning that analysis and backtest. That's why I asked you a question just now. If you're willing to do backtest, you should continue become our fan and continue doing that. So make sure that you are practically understand what actually you learn from the class. That give you a better understanding and better chance to win in the stock market. Okay. So secondly, of course, the technique. So I am doing selective and familiar with the trading. So then I will, of course, we will have some knowledge from our HQ. So of course, I want to do it as a selectively and more suitable for our local market, especially the Malaysian market. However, of course, those method if you want to use in the Hong Kong or other part of the world, US market is work as well, but little bit changes need to be done on that method. So after that, of course, a trade. So I would selectively show you how to actually put into the entry. So there's no call buy, call sell here. So there is a very clear cut. So we are on the education classes. We are not on the call buy, call sell. So of course, it's a past history data that we will show you how to enter into the trading. So of course, follow the trend. Yeah. So there will be the three criteria that we will cover throughout the classes over this channel. So the first thing we're talking about the stock life cycle. So everyone know that the stock is moving up and down. So that will be the norm to the stock market, right? So I think everyone also understand that, and you see the graph up and down, up and down. So that is the norm in the stock market. So here is one of the stock. So there's a bull market and the bear market. Okay, we will give you more example units, yeah, no problem. So, okay, of course you can see that the in the chart here. So of course there's a stage one. Many people know that the stage one is accumulation stage and rebound and swing low. So this is the at the bottom. We can talking about the bottom. You want to do bottom fishing. This is the place that you should put the focus on that. So that's the first thing. So after that, of course, the stage two advancing stage pull swing high and retrace. So a little bit of retrace in the middle. So you can see the red candle is all the retrace area. So that will be the what we call that the advancing stages. So it will be the pull out. Okay, 从 glove stock so this is a glove stock. You can see also glove stock Okay, so after that, the stage three. So we're talking about topping stages. So pull, swing high, or you try to swing high and then swing low, and then pre-distribution stages. So this is the thing that you have to understand. So after that, we're talking about the stage number four, a bit earlier lah, at this area. So you can see this area. So if you can see this area, so I just put it here. So if you can see that, so you give me a reply. So after that, we're talking about the distribution, decline stage, retrace, swing, high, low. So I'm missing N here, I'm missing I here. So after that, repeating stages. So I want to ask you a question. So which stages actually you want to trade? So you just reply me 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one you want to stage? Which one actually you want to trade? Where you want to do your trading? That's very important. Right? So you have to put your Chong sale number two. Okay. So any others members you want to let us know actually which stages actually you think is suitable for you. So doesn't mean that number stage four cannot trade. It can. So it doesn't mean can't. Okay. So of course the topping also some people trading at the topping also. So doesn't mean can't. So it's okay. So everyone like to trade number two. How about others members? So many like one and two and then two. So when I see this if your tendency is trading on the stage 1 and 2, I believe, oh, you're making money, right? So are you making money? For those who answer 2 and 1, are you making money or not? So if you're making money over the period of your trade in the stock market, you just reply me 888, so we can have a better days after this, you see. So so this is thing that you have to understand, yeah. So can you do that? You want to reply? So if you think that, yeah, improving, that's a word, yeah. Chong is making money, that's good, congratulations. Henry said it's not consistent, so maybe you win 6 times and then you lost 4 times. That's good. 60% of the trading already. So after that, you have to understand that actually there is a bear trap and a bull trap in the market. So in this cycle, so you have to understand the bull and bear trap. You see, the bull trap maybe happen in the middle, and then on the top part, definitely there's a bull trap. Okay, the bear trap will be happen on the bottom. So that's important, that some knowledge that you have to understand how actually you want to trade and where you want to trade, and make sure you know the methodology or the stages requirement when you want to do a trading. So uh, a technique that happen to be used in this area, for example, this area, it doesn't good to apply in this area. If a method happen to be good in this area, it doesn't mean it's good for this area. So you have to understand the market first. Okay, so we need to know which area of your trading, which stages of your trading that you would like to trade. So I can see many majority talking about 1 and 2. So we're talking about 1 and 2. So we will take note and focus in the future class. We will put more knowledge on the stage 1 and 2. Of course, nobody want to do in the 3 and 4. Yeah. So so that will be the good part of it. Okay. So of course, how to determine your the trading period? That's important. You see, the first thing, you know where actually you want to put your money in. Okay, in the market, in the stock, individual stock, you understand where you want to put the money in. So the next question is, how long you want to put your money in the stock market? So you give me an answer that you want to do a short term, you want a medium term, or you want a long term in the chat room. So there's a thing that you have to fix your mind first, you see. So you have to put into uh, your what we call it, the trading plan. So I hope everyone have the trading plan, you see. So you have the trading plan that you put the money into the saving account, or you want to put into the fixed deposit medium term 3 months, or you want to put a long term 24 months. So that's a question that I want you to actually understand in the investment world. So we're talking about investment, we're talking about trading. You are not talking about gambling, you see? So we're talking about the planning. So what is your investment plan? That's important, you see. So you see, so many people want to do short term, want to do money, medium term. See wallet, how deep. This is definitely listen to my class, yeah. So how to know which term to be the best? Okay, you need to ask a question. How to know which term is the best? A good, interesting and good question, yeah. So Halima said short and medium term, and then so many said short and medium. Okay, so there's no people want to put a fixed deposit in the stock market. It's a good thing that you don't try to do in the in the fixed deposit, put in the long term. But I think everyone know Warren Buffett, right? So you know Warren Buffett put the money in the long term, something like this, and then he made plenty of money. Why you don't select the long term? So this is some of the question you have to sort it out, and you have to think about the logical of this trading. Okay, let us go beyond that. Okay, short-term trading is known as also known as active trading, or the day trading, or involving buy and sell stock within a short period, usually day or few weeks. Okay, so this is called short trading. So short-term trading. So we're also talking about the long-term trading. So long-term trading show as known as a buy and hold investing. So you buy and hold, involving holding the stock for the extended period, usually years or even a decade. So this is what Warren Buffett did lah. So you know, this old man did is buying what we call it, the US Post at some dollar here, I don't know how many dollars, and then end of the at the losing part at the dollars, number of dollars, and then go up again, so they buy again. So he buy, and can become the major shareholder of the New York Post. Then the price go up, so he made money from the average of the pricing that he invested into the stock. So this is a long term that he did. So he normally do at a very long period, very long term. So let us go and sort it out. Actually, sort it out. The question that posted by Eunice. Okay, we're talking about how to know which term is the best. So anyone have an answer? So many people already selected the term that the period that you want to do, short term and then long term. So you go back to the graph that I show you just now. So the graph is something like price going down and then go flat and go up and go down again. So if you do a short term, maybe here a little bit and then you buy and then sell here, and then after that you go also think about it, how I want to buy. So is it I want to buy here or you want to buy here? If I buy here, this is a resistance level. So after you buy here, then you will short term, 1 week already and then sell it off. So how to buy here? Is it break out the old time high? Is it I want to buy or not? You buy already and then 2 days you sell again. So you have this type of dilemma in the trading, you see. So for the short term people, so buying for the short term trade period, then you want to sell. So you buy and sell. So this is short term traders. The dilemma is like that. Okay, we're talking about short-term traders. So I also talking about the long-term traders. Okay, those people who want to do long-term. Okay, the graph something like this. Most of the majority of the stock is like that one. Okay, you buy here. Okay, the long-term one. So go up and then go down. It swing a bit lower. Let's say it swing a bit lower. You say I don't sell lah because I want to do long-term. You see. So after that, the price go up already, go up already, or go up already. So you keep very happy and then you make money here. But you don't sell, you say never mind lah. I do long term. So this is about 6 months. So my plan is want to do 1 year, 2 year, or some like Warren Buffett for a decade, is it? So I just keep. So the price going down. So after they going up again. So this is a long-term people that facing the dilemmas of the trading. So let us go and sort it out as what we call that is a retail traders. So we have to recognize that we are the retail trading traders in the market. We are not the big traders like Warren Buffett. So we are not Ganaga. We are not EPF also. So none of this is for us, is it? So whether short-term or long-term stock trading is better depend on your investing goal. Yeah, so that's important. So listen carefully. So first thing is depending on your investing goal. So secondly is a risk or tolerance. Okay, so the third one is a personal circumstances. So this is something that you have to be think about it before you selecting the short-term and the long-term. So what is your investment goal? So if let's say you want to invest something that is very long, so I just put money inside. I don't want to look into it. So let's say I want to put 10 years for my next generation, 20 years for my next generation. Then you have to do your investing plan already. So which plan you are actually suit you the most is those company is stable, the product is good for the future, it's not bad for the future. So this type of the investment you have to put in there. So after you put in there, it depend. You need to tolerate the risk. So maybe the price going up, going down like this, going up, going down. You have to tolerance. Yeah. So otherwise you are be busy looking at your graph, but you earn nothing. You see, busy looking at the graph each day, each time, but you earn nothing. Okay. Remember this word. You busy at looking at the chart and then learning from the chart pattern and learning from everything, but you earn nothing. Okay, so this is important. So this is something that you have to really understand your investing goal. Okay, so after that we're talking about the the how to sort it out. Okay, so normally stock market, so we're talking about the stock trading or stock investing and all these things all sound like you put money in and take the money, you see. So the the whole thing is like you put money and you want to take money. So how much you put in and how much you take out, that's important, you see. So everyone thinking selling at the top, so everyone want to think of sell at the top. So of course after you sell the top, the price may be going down or maybe continuous going up. So this is the thing that you have to be understand the logical from the first thing that I told you, the market, where you want to buy. Okay, the first thing, stages where you want to buy. Secondly, determine your period where you want to do, how you want to do your investing before you do your investment planning. Okay, so after that you can see. So this is what I want to really want to uh, how to say that teach you, and hopefully you know how to buy, how to sell, and how to hold. For the retail traders, I hope no the big funding traders here. So we're talking about small traders is less than 1 million. So we're talking about less than 1 million account. And your CDS account is less than 1 million. So or the biggest one is 3 million. So the 3 million is a high risk investor. So we are calling this is a call about 3 million above is a high risk investor. So this is the high profile fella in the stock market. So if as long as the price going down, so when the price going up, then the continuous downtrend uh, uh, going to the uptrend. So this is a turning point. We're talking about turning point here. So this is the entry point. So we will sort it out the entry point by the chart pattern or by the indicator or by a combo of the indicator and the chart pattern and so forth and so forth. Yeah. So the entry point here. So listen carefully. So this is the first thing, entry point. So after that, actually, what you have is so we're talking about you're earning 10% from your investment. So it's very good. So we're not talking about the period. So we're talking about maybe 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, or 2 weeks. You earn 10% on the gap. Okay. So after that, there's a retrace. So hitting the resistance here. Possible there will be a retracement. So possible they will swing. How deep is swinging? We don't know. Okay. So at this moment, so for the short-term investor, maybe you just sell it out. So for the long-term investor, maybe you want to hold it. So there's a question that who actually is buying and selling here. So you want to sell, somebody must be go to buy. So you want to buy, somebody, the other guy have to be sell out the stock in hand. So this is what happened. Yeah. So after you buy or you sell, so the price, as what you know, the price swing low less. If swing 5% from the resistance here, actually you make about 5% from the investing at this time. So this time you put in the money and you make 5%, no? So it's better than the fixed deposit for 12 months, is it? So that is a thing that this is the best industry in the whole market, is it? Actually in the financial market, it's the best one. So that's why it's so difficult. It's not easy. So after that, so for those people who want to sell it out, so you can find the selling pattern here. We're talking about selling pattern. How you want to sell? You can sell here. We call it selling pattern. How you want to sell? Maybe you see the bearish candle come out, you sell, or you can see this what we call it, the doji, the the shadow is longer than the body, actually you sell. Or the shadow is 3 times longer than the body, quickly sell. So this is something what you call that. You find a reason to sell at the point that at the top for those who want to sell. For those who don't want to sell, actually you want to find out where's a strong support level. So let's say swing at the strong support level and rebound. Okay, strong support level and rebound at the 5%. So actually at this time you are know where actually you want to put your stock end. So the stock will ending at this 5%, then actually you still make about 5%. So at this time those people who not sell, so you actually no need to do anything, and then the price shoot up again, and you continue making a 10%. So gradually, you make 10%, and then another question come out is you want to hold, you want to exit, or you want to hold. So you will, after you do a trading, what you need to do is you actually have to remember all these things, you see. So where actually you should hold and where actually you should let go. So this is an important thing that you have to make a decision. So I not mention about short term, medium term, and long term here. Yeah. So my trading strategy is very simple. So as long as I enter into the market, I need to look into the percentage that the margin I have in my CDS account at this stock. Is it particular in this stock? So how many percent I make comparing to the support level that possible the retrace will swing until the point. So if this is the point, then if it were 5%, I'm making like I very confident I make 5%, then I don't sell. I just keep it there. So if the price go down more than 5%, what happened? So I want to ask everyone, if this time the price going down swing until 6%, today cross at 6%, what happened tomorrow? Is it? What you need to do tomorrow? If the price go up, go up, go up, and then suddenly swing low as 7% or 6%. So what actually you want to do? So the next day, what actually you want to do? So you think want to sell, you read me a sell. You want to still want to hold, you just reply H as a whole for me. Okay? Okay. So I hope to see some reply. Then I can continue, and then we can finish in time in 1 hour. Okay? Okay. Vivian say hold, and Lim say hold. Okay. So see. So many say hold. No. Okay. If you make 10%, if the price that you set you want to hold until 5%, if the price drop about 7%, the next day what you need to do is you have to remember the next day what you do is if the price open at this level, uh, then you can hold. If the price open at this level, quickly and check out. Yeah, you quickly sell. Next day. I'm not teaching you the same day. Next day. If you do in the afternoon, yes, you can do it in the afternoon, late afternoon. So if you see that negative 6 already, you quickly take money, take your 4% into your pocket first. So just keep the 4% into your pocket first. See the indicator, okay? With the moment you see indicator, you gone already. Okay. So what you need to do is you see what is happen tomorrow morning. What is the market emotion? If everyone think that this stock cannot hold, then you have to sell it up. If you think everyone think this stock can hold, then you hold. So this is follow the trend. So we call it follow the trend. Yeah. So there is a follow the trend. Okay, this is the first thing. Okay, this time you are very lucky. Then you hold the stock, and then the stock continuous uptrend. Okay, the next one we're talking about the same thing. The price going down, and then you put the money in, whether it's a very long time swing low, or just go up and go down, and then you entry at this point. Okay, no problem. Okay, after that the price going up as usual, so we make 10%. Okay, so after that you see this one straight away swing low. You see, swing low more than 10%. So at this time, everyone know that this is more than 10%. Your account become red color already. So what you should do at this time in this point in time, what you should do? You want to hold, or you want to sell? So you just give me a feedback. We want to learn. Just now you say already you want to learn. There is a sell. So sell. Everyone cut. Okay, sell. So as usual, we're talking about this is your cut loss point. So if that be this going down less than 10, more than 10%, that means that the trend is continue swing lower. So there will be a lower and lower and lower. So normally you want to sell. Okay. Here I want to remind those people who want to do. Okay, you don't have chance, because one day they go down can be 29%, is it? So If you go up 10%, one day go 29%, you don't have chance already. You want to stop loss 5% also very difficult chance. So 5% only few seconds only they go down 5%. You don't have chance. Okay, I gotta tell you, in the reality, you don't have much chance to see how many percent you want to do. Okay, the most important now is I want to tell you is for those people who want to do long term. Lucky today in our class here, no member said that he want to do long term. So that's important. You want to do long term. This is a dilemma for you, is it? So your planning is do long term. So this price is going down 12%. You say never mind lah. Actually, I want to do long term lah. Now it's only negative 2%, right? So after that going down again, so go become 21% already. So you are negative 21% already. So after that, more and more. So uh, you will be stuck in the stock for a long time. That's how people do long term. Actually, they are actually not qualified to do long term because they're not holding the enough power to do long term. What power we are talking about is a capital power. So we're talking about capital market. You don't have the capital power, you don't talk about how to hold long term because capital is the most important thing that in the determine your period of trading. Okay, so hopefully everyone understand. So if you understand, give me reply 666 in the chat room. Yeah. So hopefully everyone understand and understand this, and you can start. Make sure you plan. You make your trading plan or investment plan or whatever you call it. Your mastering stock market plan or whatever you can name it. No problem. So you can name it anything you want. So start doing that for your good in the trading. Okay, understood. So to me, I made the conclusion very simple. As you enter the market, you're not a game maker, so thus you are not qualified to choose. Okay, so I hope everyone take this as your what we call that, your important poster or whatever in your trading. So whether it's short term or long term, you are, as long as you enter into the market, you are not a game maker. So thus you are not qualified to choose. Is it? You are not qualified to choose. Okay. So answer is follow the trend. So you just follow the trend. If the trend allow you to do long term, yes, you just do it. If your trend is just allow you to earn 1%, you have to accept it. The game maker just allow you to earn 1% out of your trading. So be a follower in the market. Okay, so follow who? Follow the trend. Yeah, so the trend is made by the game maker, not me and you, but it's made by the game maker. Yeah, so remember, you can take this as a poster, put into your trading room, trading table or trading office or whatever. So this is definitely helping you. Okay, I can say this is definitely helping you. Okay, game maker. So game maker. Okay, and game maker. Okay, today I will share with you one of the chart pattern. So we call it a consecutive bullish golden candle. You might be hearing about it. You might be learning somewhere else. Or today I want to do some practical and application. After you learn, you make sure you do homework. Okay, I will give you a homework. So, okay, the key thing is stock price has a continuing going up bullish for 4 candles. Okay, 4 candles. So remember, 4 candles. This is a key thing. So with the first candle showing the significant or moderate increase in the trading volume. So remember this. So after that, by the 3 days, followed by 3 day gradually decrease in the volume. So when the price increase, the volume decrease. So this is something that you have to be put into your mindset. Okay, so this is what we call it consecutive bullish golden candle. So this candle is give you a very strong signal that in the future the trend will be continuous uptrend. Okay, so very simple. I think everyone very familiar with this. Not many people are familiar with this and then use it correctly. Okay, so you can see that on the top here is a continuous going up 4 days. So this is very strong one. So we're talking about very strong. This is a bullish and going. So very strong. So after that, you can see the volume also is quite a high volume comparing to the previous day. So this normally happen in the trading. So of course, the you can see the bottom here is a continuous 3 days. The volume is gradually down. So this is a key thing that you have to see, going down and then going down and going down. So but the price going up and going up and going up. So this is the thing that you have to remember. So this is a chart pattern. So we call it chart continuation pattern 1. So you have to understand this. Okay, how to use it? Very simple actually. So we're talking about this chart pattern is usually is a forming of the price and the price movement and the volume. So this is what we call the chart pattern. So you have to understand more. You're looking for the some of the detail into it. Okay. So okay, so you want to send anything? So we see that. Okay, after that we're talking about the how to use it in the practical trading. So you can see that this is the I put my photo my this camera up there. So you can see that this is one of the stock that you can see this pattern happen. So this is the high volume. So this is not the not a normal volume. So this is called high volume. So it's 3 times the previous day. So it's called high volume. So the after that the 3 days the volume actually gradually down. So you can see on top here also the price actually going up 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 days going up. So this is called chart continuation pattern for the bullish pattern. So this is a bullish. So we call it a bullish. The candle must be green. Yes, the candle of course must be green. So if not green, cannot go up. So the only thing the candle can be red is the fourth one. So cold. So if the red color, if you show you the red color, but the price still going up, then okay lah. Because the red color, if the price still going up, also count lah. This is also counted. Okay, I will give you an example later on. So for this our chart, you can see that in the in the future the trend is uptrend or downtrend. So can you give me the answer? If you think it's uptrend, then you say uptrend. Uptrend, you just type up lah. So if downtrend, you just to put down lah. So easier. So up and down. So give me a reply. So we have to try, you see. So which time actually uptrend, which time actually downtrend? So everyone know. Okay, you see uptrend, uptrend, trend, people know. Okay, because you might see this chart before lah, so then you know lah, or you really understand it, and congratulations to you. Okay, this is a chart that you can see that. Where is it? Okay, this is so after that actually the trend going up, you see. So going up, you make maybe about 70-80% from the price that you have here, and then go up to 7.771. This is a US stock. So this is US stock. So you can see that about 3 baht. So it going up, shoot up to 7 baht. So it's about 100% up already. So we have to look into the detail, you see. So you can see the detail, the price actually gap up, gap up, gap up. So this is the thing that you have to continue think about it. So just now Cole asking if the red color, you can see here got one red color, you see. If the price is still continue up, then it's okay, especially this type of the pattern. So this is okay. So participating learn better. Yes, of course. Karen said yes. So after that, you can see the volume, then going down and going up again. Actually, the question is when actually you want to put in your money. So this is a question that many people cannot answer. You see. So after 4 days continues going up, you think you dare to buy? Fast candle. Yes, you can. Okay, who dare to buy at this candle, and you give me a reason? Not easy. You say, oh yes, I want to buy. Yes, I want to buy. Give me a reason. Why you want to buy? Why? I want to ask you a question. Why you want to buy at this day? Is it? You give me a question. Give me an answer. Why you want to buy? Let us go see the IPDN. Okay. So when you go to my class, I will ask you question now. So I will see who actually will say everything yes, yes, yes. IPDN. So IPDN is IPDN, I think. Okay. IPDN. Yeah. So we go back to the chart, and then we go see what happened actually the price and the volume here. So at this day, So many people think that it's easier when you look into the chart. Okay, I understand the chart is here. Okay, the chart happened 1, 2, 3, 4 days here is okay. This one, but after that the next day red color. Are you there to buy or not? Yes or no? You want to buy? Yes. You reply me yes or no. Yes. You give me a reason. No. You give me a reason. Okay. So you will do a trading plan. So you have to understand why I should buy this day. You see, this day is red color and then the volume also red color. I shouldn't buy a stock at the red candlestick, right? Everyone still following me? Okay. This is the red one. How you want to buy? You tell me a reason why you want to buy. Okay. So many people give me yes, but have to very close the second day to see if the downtrend continuing. Okay. Or you this is uptrend, then you see this uptrend continuing, or you see a downtrend continuing. Okay. So you have to give a reason. You see, this is uptrend. So this is downtrend. Okay, this is not downtrend. This is called retrace. Okay, just a just a retracement. Okay, so I may scared to chase high. Yeah, you see, you scared to chase high. Yes, hot money. I in. Okay, hot money. Yeah, so I turn on the hot money for you. Okay, hot money. No hot money. So how to chase? Okay, I turn on the MCD for you. Oh, MCD going down already. You want to buy? So every still high compared to the previous candle. Okay, you give all your reason. So you see, so I say still high compared to the previous. We go look into the specific. Okay, this is the closing price is 3.5. So remember, closing price is 3.5. So this is the open price is 3.540. Okay, 540. Not all the golden bullish candle can buy lah. Sure. If all the golden bullish can buy, you just buy and then you don't need to learn anything already. Okay. So not that simple. The answer is not that simple. Yeah. So this is why we call that you have to very specify and understand today. So this day, why should I buy the stock? Okay. I will teach you in the following class. So I can tell you. So the reason is not buying or reason of buying, you have to go to find out. For example, you can use the indicator. For example, you don't know how to answer, you use indicator lah. Okay, cannot buy, cannot buy, cannot buy, cannot buy, cannot buy. Then don't buy lah. So if you want to use indicator, for example, this one. Okay, for example, this one. Okay, slightly a bit taller comparing to the previous day. Okay, I buy this day lah. So if I buy this day, so my requirement is I have a gap up. So this is a gap up position. Gap up. So I only buy the gap up position with the morning with the short retrace. So I buy. This is my reason to buy in this day. Otherwise, I don't buy. Okay. So this is something that you should be really understand what you should buy. So for this day, you don't buy. Is it? Very hard. You don't cheat people. Is it? This day you buy stock. Is it? This is open low. Is it? After the afternoon only they cross over the previous day. How you buy? You want to buy this day? Okay. So after you buy here, so we talking about if you want to buy at the afternoon. That's why I said afternoon. 15:30. So it's 3.5. So to 4.5. You want to buy at this area. So we're talking about this area. So okay. You want to buy this area, so let us finish one in the time. You want to buy this area, so you remember in the afternoon you should have the high volume. Okay, you see, the volume is high. It's called double volume. So in the afternoon you can buy. There's some reason that you need to, okay, cannot catch up. So I already so slow already. So in my dedicated class I speak faster. You see. So this is what we call that you find a reason 1, 2, 3 in this 3 day why you want to buy at this, not because of you found this pattern and plus this one, you want to buy stock any color, any reason. No need reason you buy here. No. So you have to find it out and then you find a reason to buy here. Number one, I cannot buy because it's red color. Number two, I want to buy, I only buy in the afternoon after 15.5. So I buy with the volume, double volume. So if I buy the third day, yes, because it get up, I can buy in the morning, 9 o'clock. I can buy it, okay, because it get up position. So I have a reason for the day one, day two, and day three. Okay, for those can follow, give me reply 1, 2, 3. When you do trading, actually is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So if you want to really know that, and then you yeah, Vivian say 1, 2, 3. Is it? So Wu also Caterison, okay, or everyone say is 1, 2, 3. See, so easy. Yeah. So we go to the second stock. Okay, price shoot up after the pattern. Okay, whether it shoot up, I don't know. So you can see this one. Price shoot up, shoot up, shoot up. This day also up lah. This day actually open if you put it closely, microscope a bit. So actually you open up this stock actually open is a bit slightly lower lah. Not much. Actually it's slightly lower. Comparing to the previous day closing. Okay, slightly lower. But the volume is down, down, down. You think this stock will going up or not? So you think this stock will going up or not? You give me a reply yes or no. Going up, uptrend or downtrend? So then you get shocked or wow, every time this type of pattern is going up, then I just smash in all my capital in this type of chart. Then using mini chart to buy. I mean I just buy in using mini chart. Like Feng said means I just buy in during the chart. Okay. Lai Fen said no. You can use mini chart to buy lah, but day chart is more important to comparing to the mini chart. Yeah. After you confirming on the day chart, only you can go into the day chart, mini chart. Yeah. So there's a thing that you have to follow the sequence, the sequencing. Okay, we're talking about sequencing in the trading. So if your market is good, if your sector is good, and then your stock is good, then you buy. This is called sequencing. Yeah. If the long term chart is good, and then the medium term is good, and the day term is good, then you buy less risk. So something like that. This is called sequencing. Yeah. So after that, you can see that this is also going up, going up, going up, going up again. So again, my question to you is, why should I buy this day? Okay. So you found a pattern. So you think you put in the money, and then 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, 4 day, 5 day, 6 day, 7 day, 8 day never go up. After you buy 8 days, the price are actually not going up. You see, so it's sideways, so a bit lower. So how many people will hold the stock? Okay, give me the answer. Yes or no? You want to hold or you want to sell it out? Yes or no? We just open out and see the chart, no problem. You just be sincere to yourself, yeah? So 8 days when you bought a stock, it doesn't go up by going down, you know? You see? Some people very sincere say I sell it. Some people say that I don't know what to do lah. So I call teacher lah. You call teacher Karen, yeah? She can answer you, So don't call me, I cannot give you answer, okay? So you will look into 1 day per day, So this day open low, so definitely we don't buy. So after that, the next day bigger some more, we don't buy. The next day, okay, open a little bit higher, so this is the resistance, so very hard to buy. Okay, so 3 day pass already, don't buy. So this is also, this is price is going up, but we don't buy. So you want to buy, so you remember that the trend is continuous trend. So you know that what we do is we set up the support here lah. If the price going down and this one and rebound, then we can buy lah. So this is our reason to buy. So after that, you also can set up this is a resistance area. This is a level that we were talking about. So find a reason from here, 3 days in the row here. So you find a reason to buy. So this is simple reason. The volume is double already. So I also break out the previous high already. So I buy. Then okay, this is a reason. So this is the first day reason. Second day, wow, this is a very good day lah, because open high and then straight away go up. Then you can chase just buy in. Okay, because the pattern actually the previous pattern is good already, you buy. Number third day also can buy. The reason is very simple. Open high is a gap up, so everything must have a reason. Okay, you don't blindly and buy. Okay, you don't put your money inside and just buy. Okay, so remember, chart continuation pattern is just a pattern. It's not telling you when to buy. Okay, if you can understand, just give me reply 888 so I can see how many people understand that. And the next question is, after you learn, do you think you found this pattern in your stock market? I don't know which stock you are doing, is it? Trade on your tested investment strategy, okay? Trade on your tested investment strategy, okay? So I'm gonna ask you a question. How many of you found this type of pattern in the trading? How many? Found how many already? How many times you found in a year? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 10, or 20, 100, or 200, or 300? Just let me know. Okay, how many actually you found in the calendar year? So we're talking about calendar year. Okay, nobody want to tell me. So because you never learn this chart pattern. Okay, okay. I believe many people learn. So definitely you want to know. You want to understand. Actually, how many time happen in the calendar year? They give you a chance. How many chance that you can shoot the market? You long the market in the market that you are doing. Okay, only learn this chart pattern today. Okay, so okay, so only learn this. So you go to your homework is you go to find don't so much work lah. Okay, Vivian said many. Oh, so you many. So everyone go to find month of the previous month. April. So this month, April, April Fool. So you go to find April Fool until today. So how many actually happen in a month? So that is give you a probability. So we're talking about the probability of the 10-minute more. After 10 minutes, I cross already. So that give you a probability in the stock market. For example, 8 in a month, or 10 in a month, or 20 in a month. Okay, so that show you that you have chance at time in the month in this type of chart pattern. Okay. So I go revise a little bit. So I go to tune a little bit on the that chart continuation pattern one. So I go tune a little bit more suitable for the market, the small capital especially. For example, Malaysia market. So what you need to do is you reduce the number of the day to number 3. Okay, you reduce the consecutive this graduation day number 2. If the volume continue number 4 day also never mind. Okay, that's not a problem. Okay, so you just twin a little bit going down to 1 day. So they give you a more chances. Okay, more chances to find this type of the consecutive bullish golden candle. Okay, so the the pattern number 1 is 4 days and 3 days. Okay, pattern number 2 is 3 days and 2 days. So you are easily found in the small capital market. Okay, like Malaysian market lah. So Vivian, maybe you look into this. So you not look into the first one that we're talking about. Okay. Okay. A very early finish when everyone want to learn more. Okay, you sign up a 6-month program. Then I will teach you 12 classes, 15 classes plus 2 offline, and then you will learn everything in the 6 months. So that's easier, yeah. So you see, chart continuation pattern 2 that happened in the Malaysia market. 0251. My dedicated student made 100 not 100 1.2 million out of the trading, yeah. So I want 1.2 million, yeah. So not a small number. So you can see that this is what Cole just now is asking. You can see that this is the red color. So but the price continue going up. So this is red color. So we're talking about red color. This is a false bearish. So it's going up 3 days. So what you need to see that the actually the bottom here, the volume actually from the high volume reducing to the lower. So this is typical thing that happen in the stock market. You will see this type of pattern. So that show you the price actually is okay. So it's still crossing a bit higher. So this is the fourth one. This one also the fourth one. So facts. So the two facts in the row. So that will give you a very good chance the future trend will be going up. So if just follow the chart pattern, this pattern already confirming that in the future the trend will be a very good trend. So there is no need to do anything. This is a chart pattern. Very high chance that possibility the future trend will be a good trend. So many of my previous dedicated this student made very good money from this stock. So what you need to do is 1, 2, 3 days happen, and then you see that 1, 2, 3 days going down, 2 days, and then 3 days up, 2 days going down. So this is what happened. So the next day also cannot buy. This is the fake one. No, fake one we also don't know true or not. If that is true, then true. This is false, then false. Okay, the fact one, so we don't know. Okay, so after that you can see here. So the how I want to do it, I want to enlarge it. Then you can see. Okay, so you can see that the price actually shoot up from these 3 days. Okay, these 3 days. Remember. So at the bottom here, the first day actually is the double volume, and then you can just buy. So find a reason to buy here. So I find a reason to buy here, and then find a reason to buy here. So there's a reason that you want to buy in these 3 days, So you buy in these 3 days. After that, you make about 360% out of 100 days. So our 100-day trading is called like medium term. So at the moment, you can buy and then hold, buy, hold, buy, hold, buy, hold, buy, and then come out with the M or whatever. Then you sell it out, or you want to continue hold, also okay, because you make about 300% out of the trading already. Okay, what is the moving average line? So okay, don't think about moving average line first. So that's just a line. So we're talking about just a line. Boon. So you can use 13, you can use 5, you can use 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, not a problem. I will explain in the later class. Okay, so I will explain that. Okay, so you can see the second store, Bumi. So everyone know Bumi. So if you follow my class, you know Bumi, Amanda. So we're talking about Bumi very long already. So of course this is happen. So this happened, and then after that you can see that this price is actually not shoot up. So not shoot up. So not shoot up. So actually you want to buy very difficult. You don't buy lah. So just now this one of the member Chua said, after we see the golden one and then we go put in the money, then you will happen this one. Okay, you don't have a reason, you don't buy. So after that you can see this is happen again. This is a 3 day, and then 3 day increase. So you don't buy, you don't buy, you don't buy. So the price still continue going up. So why don't buy? So actually you can draw a line here. So you draw a line. So this is the reason that actually you're referring to this pattern, and then you can buy. So after they come out again, so they always come out like this one. So this is what we call that the historical pattern will be repeat by themselves. You see. So after that come out again, again and again. So they will hit the support level, you buy. Okay. So after that they're going again and again. So this is something that you have to learn. You have to practically and then go find the stock and then analyze. Not all the chart continuation pattern that you should buy. Okay. Okay. Understand? Understand? Give me a reply yes in the chat room. Okay. So understand? So after that you do homework, you will get more knowledge on that. Okay. Okay. Chart continuation pattern 2. Which one? Now I want to ask you. Just now I teach you. Now I ask you. You give me 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one can buy? Okay, 4. Wow, this one then later on you say I call buy and call sell already, so there's no call buy and call sell. So you can see this is a chart pattern happen. What you need to do, you draw a line. So the nobody want to answer. I ask you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then you don't answer, and then I want to spit out, and then somebody that cannot follow. Okay, you give me a continuous reply, and then I slow down my explanation. Okay. So all of them, yes, all of them is a chart pattern, but not all of them can buy, you see. So you have to remember, I remember I will speak slowly a bit, little bit. So you have to help me, you see. When I ask you, you faster you can go reply me, then I can speak a bit slow. I like to speak slow, I don't speak fast, you see. So you see, many people go to reply, so this is the homework for you lah. So you can just go continue and do lah. So you see, this price actually is not continuing going up. So actually this is a wrong one. Okay, the first one is wrong. So somebody correct it. So this is the correct one. So don't look at the color lah, friend. You look at color, then very hard, you know. So you see, so only only number two only. only number two. So you don't look at the color. Wow. Then the color all green, and then the volume down. This is a pattern. I put the money in. Then that's why you're very hard to make money. You see. So if you look carefully, this one, you see, the pattern is happen here. So the price is moving, and then this one actually you buy here. So you make this much of money lah. Okay. Okay. This is the thing that you have to buy. So this one we don't buy because it's ding dong too long, so we don't buy. So this one we don't buy. Buy already, maybe you make money or lose money. This one, even though it's closer to the topping. Okay. So this is something that we're talking about, the what we call that, the pattern. So you do back test and you go continue doing back test. This is the you can use this as your homework. Yeah. So I put it, this is a homework meta. For those who don't have a meta one, you can use Malaysia stock market. You tell me how many chart continuation pattern, one or two, or how many of them. Is it a pattern one or is it a pattern two? And then you tell me how many. Okay, you just put note into the homily link. You can put in the English classroom, and then we can see the reply from your learning. You see, practically, so I need to know. So maybe this is something that you really need to do it. You see. So okay, thank you. So this is also your back test. So I want to tell you, this is Hatha Lega. So that is meta. For those who have meta, you do metas. For those who have both, you do both. So those don't have, you do Hatha Lega. So this is chart continuation pattern one or two. You've got how many? Okay, I don't get answer now. So you can go back and go do your homework. Okay, so that will be giving you today class. So of course I will cover up the chart continuation pattern. So it's really pattern number 3 lah. So the class number 2, the pattern number 3, number 4, number 5. Later on we continue how many we have. Okay, what I want to cover is there's a sequence of the resin prices with the double trading volume. So it's double volume, so followed by the decrease in the volume. So follow our channel, and thank you very much for those who are still with us and follow me.